AI is coming for your job. You've seen the headlines, the doom scrolling posts, the endless debates. But here's what they're not telling you. AI is not just replacing jobs, it's creating entire new industries. Think about it. AI systems need massive data centers. They need advanced cooling systems and power management. They run on specialized chips that need to be designed and manufactured. Everything runs on cloud infrastructure, and that needs to be built and maintained. This isn't just theory. Companies are investing billions of dollars in new chip plants, data centers, cloud infrastructure, and AI safety and governance. These are not just jobs, they're careers, and they need people like you. That's why I'm starting this channel. I'll be interviewing leaders from this emerging field. These are people that are building tomorrow's tech industry, and that's why you need to subscribe. They're going to share exactly how you can break into these careers, what skills you need, and what the future holds. So don't delay, subscribe, and learn more about the tech careers of tomorrow directly from the people creating them. See you then.